Yeah, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're having a wonderful morning. I am on the way to the courthouse right now. I have one more state ref ticket I have to pay off. It's only a $50 fee because I already have my certificates and everything. And then I am completely done with the courthouse. So I'm excited on that. I really want to finish painting the chrome deletes. So we're gonna paint the front grille black, and then I really want to go to a junkyard and try to find an RX 350 front emblem because it has the honeycomb behind it, and I really want that for my car. I called up a few junkyards. Some of them might have it, some of them might not. And we're gonna go to pick up paint after I'm finished paying off this ticket. See you guys in a little bit. Oh fuck, they're coming to give me more tickets. But I did it, I paid him. You ain't getting me. Ah! Just kidding, guys. Shut up. You guys know what I'm never gonna get tired of? Opening my door to this. I've owned this thing for about 4 days, and I wanna give you guys my Yelp review. This thing is so comfy for all of you guys that are asking. It's awesome. I'm telling you, these right here really hug you. You get the sporty feel, and it just looks awesome. Look at this. This shit looks badass. I've never been here before, so hopefully they have exactly what I want. Pretty much a salvage yard. I've only been in one of these once with the Beamer, and they had like all of these cool freaking parts, like all OEM taillights, and you know, basically everything off salvage. Let's see if this place is dope. Thank you so much.
This one is perfect, okay?
Okay, that's fine.
No, look at this one. This is going set. This is going set. After this one, you push this one here.
Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
Thank you.
And be safe.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Thank you. Frick yeah, so we just left and they had it. Last one, only one. I'm so hyped. Talking to the dude, super cool guy from Armenia, and he's talking to me about my tattoos and how like I'm gonna not like them in the future. Fuck it, I'm gonna make racks and get them removed. And I wanna see if this fits, hold up. It is about the right size, so it'll definitely fit. Some of you guys might be wondering, Jason, why do you want this one when you have your red one? Well, the reason for that is because I saw this in black chrome at a car meet, and it looked so cool that I wanted one of my own, but I didn't want to spend 160 bucks, so got this one, hyped on it. I'm almost reaching 2,000 followers on Instagram. I'm gonna do a giveaway, and the giveaway is gonna consist of 3 items, maybe more, you never know, but one of them is for sure going to be my emblem. So that's right, one of you guys will be able to win my one-of-a-kind custom one-off emblem in candy red. I know you guys all asked me about it, and now's your chance to win one. So I'll give you guys more details when the giveaway gets a little bit closer. I want to see if I can get this on, and we're good. Now I'm going to head over to Pep Boys, pick up some paint, and we can go ahead and tackle this chrome delete for the grill. What the? Fitment on point. I'm about 2 minutes away from Pep Boys. Parked outside of the parking lot because I'm lazy and I don't feel like going in there. Yeah, I definitely need bags. I'm tired of picking and choosing my own battles. Wow, there's a parking spot right there. Pep Boys is right here. I parked all the way down there. Sick. Damn. You guys can hate all you want on Civics. I think they're freaking tight. This dude's a Lyft driver too. Bro, this is sick. Got the red accents, the clean ass carbon fiber hood. Okay. So probably gonna go with the black gloss clear coat. Got some paint. Got a snack. Let's go tackle this project. Guys, that is the 5th cop that I've ran into today. You don't know how many times I have to just clench my butthole and hope that they don't pull me over. Oh! Made it through another cop. Back at the house, love the sun. I feel like the sun hasn't been just on my face for like weeks. Feels so good. One thing I actually kind of do like about California is when the sun's out and really bright, but it's not hot. Let's go ahead and start taping everything off for the grill and start painting. get to work. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, taping all of this off is way easier than taping off the window trim. This was the very first thing I ever painted on the car, and it was so easy. I don't know why it was so easy. I mean, I know I could just remove the bumper and remove the trim, but if you're lazy like me, you don't want to deal with this bumper or having to take anything apart. Now we're gonna throw some bags. Sick. I'm gonna throw some bags just to make sure no overspray gets anywhere else. Let's go ahead and start with the first coat. Nice and easy. All right, so we are 3 coats in with the black and it is looking good. Very smooth. No bubbles, no nothing. Really simple if you guys want to do this chrome delete. Probably only cost me about $25, where if you were to go to someone and get it wrapped, probably cost like $100. Or if you were to go wrap it yourself, you would have to order the wrap online. That's gonna take, you know, anywhere from 3 to 4 days to come, and then you get to tackle the project, but you have to take everything apart. So this is a nice alternative. You're only buying clear coat, black paint. I'm pretty sure you have tape at home. You don't have to use painter's tape, but generally most people have tape in the garage. Pretty much it, and garbage bags if you really want to do that. If not, you can always use the newspapers you get in the mail. Now that we let our last coat dry for black, we are going to start with clear coat. Hopefully I get no rock chips when I drive. Love repairing the little things on this car that bug me. So I'm not trying to be weird or anything, but clear coat smells really good. Does that make me a druggie? Oh, that was not a good idea. Whew. Honestly, I probably like the smell because it smells a little bit like acetone. And for Vietnamese culture, if you guys don't know, a lot of our moms and our grandmas do nails. So I've been around that shit my whole life. Love the way it smells. Don't do drugs. Okay guys, so the next thing that I want to tackle, probably might not be able to do today, but I definitely want your guys' help. If you know how I can get either the rust or all of the stains off of my mufflers on my exhaust, let me know what products are good. I'll show you guys real quick so you guys can see how dirty they are. I tried scrubbing earlier with just a towel and some soap. Didn't come off, so I'm assuming I'll need some type of product. Let me know in the comments below if you guys know what I can use. I'll try it out. That thing's been bugging me for a while. I just haven't gotten around to it because of the rain. We're letting it dry now and it should be good in a few minutes. All right, so just finished taking all the tape off the bags. Look at how clean this is. Clear, perfect, nice and smooth. I'm a little better at paint than I thought. I want to say, all in all, success. For the longest time, people have asked me, can you do like a flyby or a tunnel video? So I've decided, why not record myself driving so you guys can hear my drone and my car in general. You guys heard it with the windows down. I'm gonna let you guys hear it with windows up. Not too bad. I guess we'll do the tunnel again with the windows up. Alright, so there you guys have it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh!